read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamu alaikum, respected teachers. How are you? Me, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. Now, what are the expected learning outcomes? The student is expected to learn letter D. Learn the words that start with the sound of letter D. Today, we taught them letter D, its formation. Let's start. How to teach? Start from the dot, make semicircle, go straight up, come straight down, make a loop. It will make small d. The letter name is D and the sound of D is D. D, dog. D, door. You have to make different flashcards that start with letter D. Like what? Like duck, like dolphin, like donuts. Okay? You have to teach properly letter D, its sound, and the vocabulary words. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.